Okay, so if you're going to replace the battery inside your key fob, what you're going to need is a screwdriver that has a T6 bit on it. I'm not sure if they call it micro or mini, but it's very small. Then you need a flat head screwdriver. Small is preferred. Well, it's actually kind of required. So I have a small flat head, a battery, of course. CR2032 is the battery type. And then your key fob. All right, as you may or may not know, there is actually a hidden key inside the key fob. And to access that, all you have to do is push this button here. This button in the middle, so right below the Maserati logo. It's a button you press and then the key slides out. You'll use that key in the event that you had battery failure for your key fob and you couldn't access or enter the car. You would use that and you can open at least the door. And then in the inside here, once you remove the key, there is a screw. That's what we use the T6 bit screwdriver for. And you just unscrew that. It's a pretty long screw. Make sure you don't lose that. Set that to the side. And then you should be able to pull apart these two metal pieces. You can pull them apart and pull it from the top. So there's a little latch at the bottom that goes in like that. So pull it from the top. And they are not interchangeable, so you can only put it on one way, so you don't have to try to remember which side goes to which because they only go one way. Then you pull the other side from the top, same way, and there you go. It hooks as well. So now you have the key fob exposed so you can access the battery. So on the key fob, there are slits on both sides. These are the points where you will put the flathead screwdriver in and stick the tip in, just give it a turn. And it should separate, as you see there. So just do a little bit on both sides. Boom. Now that it's separated, it just comes apart like that. There's another screw right here that you will take the same T6 bit, unscrew it. And these are small screws, so be gentle. Don't go all heavy-handed with it and tear it up. Then your screw won't work, or you can't get it out. And you can unscrew the whole thing or just move it enough so you can access the battery. Might be best just remove the whole thing. Once again, less moving parts and you don't tear it up. And put that to the side. Now we have our battery. So like most things for this battery, you just pop it out. Put it to the side. Put the new one. It does go face down, so the plus sign goes down like that. There's a little clamp here, a little spring clamp, so stick the battery in there like that, then push it down so you don't break the clamp, and you should be good to go then, and that's it. Now put your circuit board on top. There's the other side, so you can see both sides. This is what the battery connects to, so put that on there like that. Get your little screwdriver here, screw it back down. I mean, it doesn't have to be torqued or tight, of course, because it's just a key fob. So just twist it to where it's tight. I guess in this case, finger tight, because you want to make sure that it still makes contact. Then put your cover back on. Snap it. Snap it like that. Now it's back together. Put one side. Like I said, they're not interchangeable, so it only goes on one way. Put that on there like that. Make sure you hook it at the bottom like that. Put it back on there. And then you put your screw in there. Then you tighten it up. finger tight. Then put your key back in there. And then you're done. You have successfully replaced your key battery. Now, I don't know how much they charge for this at the dealership, but I'm sure it's not cheap compared to how quick that is and how easy it is. So here's another tip that you can use to save some money and do this yourself. Don't be afraid. This is a very hefty key. It looks fancy, but it's just a key fob at the end of the day, and you can change out the battery yourself. Save some money, learn something in the process, and then you're good. All right, as always, thanks for checking out my video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.